In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kilo Code. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to kilocode.ai and then you want to click on install Kilo Code over here. And then you have to select where you want to install it. So you have to choose your code editor. You can choose VS Code, Cursor, or even some more down here, which currently are Windsurf, VS Code Insiders, and Tray AI. But for you, it may be different if you're doing this at a later date and they have added some more to the list. So select the one you want. We're going to do VS Code for this instance. I'm going to click on install Kilo. It's going to prompt me to actually open Visual Studio Code. I'm going to click on that and it's going to open up VS Code on my computer where you can see there's the extensions tab and you can see Kilo Code over here where you have to press install. And then after you do this, you're going to have to apply that you actually trust it. And once that's installed, you can see it here on the left. Now click down here. And as you can see, I've done that and it's already basically letting me chat. But if you're doing this for the first time, you're going to first have to sign in. So it's going to tell you something like sign in, and then you're going to have to go to their website and you're going to have to basically create your account, and you'll be able to do that using either a GitHub or Google, or I think you can use the email as well. And after you put that information in there, you'll basically be able to get some free credits. And then when you return back to VS Code, you'll be able to see over here, you can basically type your task in and you can start using Kilo Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.